Aim: to verify the Mendel's law of independent assortment. Place 64 beads of each color in 4 separate beakers. Put the beakers containing the yellow and red beads on your left side, and those containing the green and white beads on your right side. The beaker on your left side represents plants bearing yellow seed and red flower, that is, dominant character YYRR. Beakers on the right side represent plants bearing green seeds and white flowers, that is, recessive character YYRR. These are the 2 parental types having contrasting forms of 2 different characters. Pick up 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 red and 1 white bead and put them together on the table. Continue picking up and putting together of the beads of all colors as mentioned in the previous step, till all the beads are utilized. Note that in all, 64 such 4-bead clusters are obtained, representing the F1 individuals. Click on Show F1 generation to see genotype and phenotype. Click on Start Step 2 to raise F2 generation. Let us suppose half of the 4-bead clusters, that is, 32 clusters, represent the male parents, and the remaining half, that is, 32 clusters, the female parents. Now put the 32 red and 32 white beads together in one beaker, that is, numbered 1, and similarly put 32 yellow and 32 green beads together in another beaker, that is, numbered 2. These 2 beakers represent F1 female. Similarly, put remaining 32 red plus 32 white beads in beaker numbered 3 and 32 yellow and 32 green one in beaker numbered 4 to represent the F1 male. In order to raise the F2 generation, pick up randomly 1 bead from the beaker 1 of female and 1 bead from the beaker 3 of the male. Similarly, pick up 1 bead each from the beaker 2 of female and beaker 4 of male to put all 4 together to represent the F2 individual. Continue this process till all beads are utilized. At the end, 64 F2 individuals, that is, each represented by a 4-bead cluster, are obtained. Determine the genotype and phenotype of each of the 64 F2 individuals and write down the number of individuals of different genotypes and phenotypes. Click on Show F2 generation to see these. Repeat the experiment multiple times and thus verify the law of independent assortment.